Did you even ask like these questions? Why have you specific mass, or where did it come from? I'm Kenzi Youssef and I'm going to answer at these questions in this video. Firstly, the old scholars were interested in studying the origin of matter, and they asked questions about this matter and what it consists of. The beginning was by the Greeks, who considered that the origin of matter comes from four types: water, air, soil and fire. We have now arrived at the periodic table of elements. The scientists don't stop at this step, and they continue to search at the origin of matter, or what is named the subatomic particles. We all know that every chemical species in this universe is made of chemical elements, and every element represents an atom like this form. We have the nucleus made of protons and neutrons, and we have the electrons around this nucleus. We understand now that the protons, neutrons, electrons are essential to the construction of any chemical element. However, in recent years, the scientists discovered a large number of subatomic particles with using the Large Hadron Collider. Then, they were forced to resolve these particles in a table named Standard Model. For example, the protons and neutrons are made of all the small particles named quarks. Currently, we have 6 types of quarks in the Standard Model. In addition to the quarks, we have all the small particles named leptons. Then, these particles need physics force to react. The particles which represent this physics force are named gauge bosons, and we have 4 types of gauge boson in the Standard Model. The scientist Peter Higgs was able to collect some ideas and some theories present in his time and deduct a field which includes all the universe and gives us mass, named Higgs field. Because the question that was posed was why some subatomic particles have bigger mass than others despite they have the same size, the Higgs field was responsible. Effectively, the particles which react strongly with Higgs field take bigger mass than others which don't react, or the reaction aren't strong. For example, the heaviest subatomic particle in this universe is top quark, and the lightest is electron. They have the same size, but the reaction of the first with Higgs field is stronger than the second. This is why top quark is heavier than electron. We can represent this field with water, and top quark with man swimming in this water, and electron with fish. We can observe that the movement of the first is slower than the second. That can explain that the reaction of the man with water is stronger than the second. And this is the same thing with Higgs field. Finally, the particle which represents Higgs field in the Standard Model is named boson Higgs. Thank you for watching.
I already bagged most of the chicks that you out here trying to